Here are 10 tips to help you understand what you can do today. All that exists is what's in front of me. Potential unrealized becomes pain. The only way to be extraordinary depends on what I do with the ordinary, little by little. All we ever have is now. If I had the life I wanted, what would today look like? If I had the love I wanted, what would today look like? Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. What are the most important things that must happen today? My life consists of my days. What am I doing with this one? What would my most fully realized self do with today? Am I truly doing the best I can right now? If I didn't feel tired, what would I do today? Be where your feet are. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.